Na po. Ayan na po, start na.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Ate
birthday.
Counts and Engineer.
Engineer.
Engineer, I give you a verse, no? In 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 9, sabi ng Lord, my grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, most gladly, I would rather boast in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me. Therefore, I take pleasure in infirmities, in reproaches, in needs, in persecution, in distresses, for Christ's sake. For when I am weak, then I am strong.
Amen.
At depends, an engineer, dun sa time na kayo ay mahina, time na kayo ay nag-alala at natakot doon sa kanyang naramdaman at mga nangyari sa inyo, remember, yung grace ng Lord ay sufficient during that time. And during that time, yun ang akala nyo, yun ang greatest weakness na. Pero actually, ang sabi ng Bible, when I am weak, then I am strong. Yun pala yung panahon na kayo ay malakas na malakas.
Amen.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
At I pray na bigyan pa kayo ng dalawa ng more than 60 more years pa. Gusto nyo ba
Amen.
yun?
Amen.
At with more blessing sa inyo at sa inyong pamilya.
Yeah.
And I pray na makabalik kayo rito, na pareho kayo, sasamba ulit. At thank you, engineers, sa life mo na ginamit ka ng Lord, na nagkaroon ng fulfillment. Yung reward ng Lord dito sa Hermosa na magkaroon ng church,
Yes.
ay ginamit ka ng Lord. And I pray na bigyan ka pa ng Lord ng extension ng years.
Amen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
We love you.
Ayos.
And
Bye-bye.
thank